Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, Miss Tita. Today our group can have a presentation about final presentation about biography about one famous photographer in America. His name is William Eugene Smith. For introduction, William Eugene Smith is an American journalistic photographer. He is perhaps the single most important American photographer in develop of editorial uh, photo essay, and he is one introduced about photo essay. Mr. Smith was born in Wichita, Kansas in 1980. Took his first photo at age of 50 for took picture of a plane. And in 1936, Smith entered the University of Notre Dame in Wichita, where a special photography scholarship was created for him. A year later, he left university and went to New York City. And after studying with Helen Sanders at the New York Institute of Photography in 1937, he began working for Newsweek. At the later Newsweek was fired for refusing to work in his photography work using a medium format camera, and at the time he joined the Black Star Agency as a freelance. Mr. Smith worked as a war correspondent for Flying Magazine in 1943 until 1944, and a year later, Mr. Smith worked for Life magazine. He followed the Iceland-hoping American offensive against Japan and suffered severe injuries while simulating battle conditions for parade, which required him to undergo surgery for the next 2 years. Once recuperate, Eugene Smith worked for Life again between 1947 until 1955, before resigning to joining Magnum as an associate. And in 1957, he became a full member of Magnum. Mr. Smith was fanatically dedicated to his mission as photographer. Because of dedication, he was often regarded by editor as troublesome. A year after he moved to Tucson to teach at the University of Arizona, Smith died of a stroke. His archives are held the Center for Creative Photography in Tucson, Arizona. Today, Mr. Smith's legacy lives on through the William Eugene Smith Fund to promote humanity photography, founded in 1980, which award photographer for exceptional accomplishment in the field. And about his project, our group gonna presentation about our group thing. This is some phenomenal project about Minamata. About Minamata, in this picture, Takako Ishiyama, a 12 years old victim of the Minamata disease with her mother. The photo essay and subsequent book Minamata, A Warning to the World, was a collaboration between Smith and his then wife, Alien M. Smith, whose photographer are also featured below. The quote of Mr. Smith: photography is a small voice at best, but sometimes it's just memory. One photograph or a group of them can cure our sense into awareness. Much depend upon viewer. In some photograph can someone enough emotion to be catalyst So wrote Mr. Smith in 1974, a master 20th century photograph journalism. Smith was obsessive in pursuit of his vision. This obsession is perhaps most evident in his long-term project documentary, The Deadly Effect of Industrial Mercury Pollution in Minamata. Smith saw the work as a warning to the world and ultimately put his life on the line to give a voice to the victim. And next, our group is gonna talk about another project about Eugene Smith, is country doctor.
Okay, the husband and the image are gruesome and tragic at the same time. We went to look at it so interesting to see that how they would have affected by this disease. At the end of the day, stand for the truth. I think journalism to direction to come you now tools from political parties what are the mother holding a daughter to Mocha, Rivera, and Iqbal. And you can see that and see completely from and us, you can see that the mother laughing expression holding the laundry in the morning and again the throne reality on the otherwise we need gruesome picture for my speech. I need to bring us into her life, and this is why we can see that you think smile really had compassion for his old self, and I witnessed even like this United Saints. He started out as a war photographer and living witness this tragic event. He didn't always see the best of humans, but he always stay with the truth and at the same time to show respect to be such and dignified manner, but it wrong for me and mom is going to do me the closer so that you can see it's from close by and this this is what uh, the local population. Next picture is Tomoko in mother arms. And again, you see in the mother to the dear man. And I love the picture again. Another picture so hard on people back again, make use release and it makes us grateful for what we have when I look at this picture. I just realized I'm so thankful for the life I have such a living human being trapped in a deformed body because somehow come. Corporation ingredient and the government he say in the following you signs. I've never made any picture good or bad without paying for it in and if I was more to turmoil and wonderful character in the fact that he was willing to pay the price for the truth. I one moment finish the series with some more beautiful composition from the beauty as well, but only in the tragic moment. I think we can learn something from him. We can learn that sometimes we are going to fight tragedy. Sometimes we have three and brace tragedy. We must look from the beer to use garlic for what happening outside of urban and abroad travel and at this particular for the wonderful company. Okay, next.
Although he was only a member of Macron for 4 years between 1955 and 1988, the photographer Eugene Smith had a lasting impact on both the agency and photojournalists in general. Smith compared his mode of working to that of a playwright. The powerful narrative structure of his photo essays set a new benchmark for the genre. His series The Country Doctors, shot on assignment for Life magazine in 1948, document the everyday life of Dr. Ernest Guy Seriani, a GP tasked with providing 24-hour medical care to over 2,000 people in the small town of Kremlin in the Rocky Mountains. The story was important at the time for drawing attention to the national shortage of country doctor and the impact of this on remote communities. Today, the photo essay is widely regarded as representing a definitive moment in the history of photojournalism. In the photograph by William Eugene Smith, with the object of a doctor named Dr. Ernest Seriani, this photo used a Leica camera in 35mm black and white film format, so that the photo looks dramatic. It used a high shutter speed so that the object is freeze. He used a low angle technique to make the photo look brighter. Okay.
Okay, next conclusion. William Eugene Smith has become iconic and phenomenal photographer, where become introduced photo story to the world. Many project photo capture the Smiths has opened the truth of the world. William Eugene Smith is a very enigmatic person. His ability to turn the most mundane subject into beautiful work of art. He was also willing to show the horror of war, disease, and death, like Minamata, an historical record of the dreadful consequences of industrial water pollution and photo project. Country Doctor has become iconic that contribute to photography documentary, especially to introduce photo story or photo essay. He was ability to like interior and this very interesting to where flash photography to today compared was in the 90s, 50s, and impressive move technical standpoint necessarily made the scene feel very natural, and that kind of genius of Smith's work and what make it really something special. Thank you for attention and thank you for Miss Tita. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.